Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start with the watch on and unlocked. Make sure wrist detection or iPhone unlock is active so changes apply. Press firmly on the current face to open gallery mode. This is the gateway to edit or add faces. Once the gallery appears, swipe left or right to preview installed faces or tap the plus icon to add a new face. You do this now because it places you directly into face selection, saving time and preventing accidental taps later. Now focus on customization. Tap Edit on the selected face to access panels for style, color, and complications. You swipe left or right to move between panels and use the digital crown to scroll options precisely. This is faster than swiping repeatedly. When you reach the Complications panel, tap the slot you want to change. Picking the right complication affects glanceability and battery use, so choose the essentials like activity, weather, or calendar. Once set, finish by pressing the digital crown to save edits, then tap the face to make it current. That completes the swap. If you prefer, open the iPhone Watch app to reorder or delete faces for cleaner access. This sync step ensures both devices match. If the new face doesn't appear, restart your Apple Watch, confirm Bluetooth and iPhone connection, and check for Watch OS updates. Doing that resolves most sync issues and prevents repeated editing frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.